Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your location, city and language preferences to the Singapore Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the More button down below and then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Settings. Then you should go to the top to the Preferences section, and first of all you can set your location by typing it into the search bar, or you can also select it from this list. After that you can select your city, and then your language can be selected as well according to your set location. So that's pretty much it. Everything will be saved automatically. See you in the next video. Bye bye.